In the second part of this question, we are looking for the earthworks necessary to accommodate our roadway. So we're just going to work on this bottom section. So the formation of our road is at 55. So we're just going to mark off that on our 55 line here. So this is where our cut and fill are going to meet the road. So it says here our side slopes for cutting is 1 in 1. That means if the contours are 5 mm apart, we're going to be taking 5 mm sections down for where our road is cutting. And where we need embankments, we're going to be taking in 1.5. So 1 is to 1.5, which means that if our contours are 5 mm apart, then that means we're going to be taking our intervals at 7.5. So if we just take a line down here from our 55, we'll just take a light line there, and we're going to mark it off first of all at our 7.5 contours. So we can mark them in now at 50, 45, 40, 35, and because this page isn't actually to scale, we're just going to have to extend it down a small bit. So the reason why we took these at 7.5 is that all this hand side, left hand side of the road, is all below the formation. So we're going to have to put embankments in to bring the road up to the same level. So we can bring our lines across now. We might have to extend that one out a small bit there for our 30. So we can just plot off our points. So where our 50 line comes across, we can mark up that point. Our 45 meets here. Our 40 line meets here. Then we have a 35 mm line here. And then finally our 30 is going to meet down there. So when we connect up them points back to here, our embankment should look something similar to that. Similarly enough, we can mark it up along the side here. We're just going to take 5 mm intervals. And again, we're going to mark them off. So we're just going to work from the bottom up this time. So we're going to take the lowest number first. So we have 60, 65, 70, 75, and then finally our 80. So we'll take vertical lines across again from these points. And the exact same thing again. So we're following our 60 line across to where it meets the 60 contour. Our 65, 70, 75, 80, and then finally back to our 75 here. So just again here, and then this will curve off to the edge. So this area mark here in blue, this is the area that we're going to have to cut.